and hope to black cause. A symbol of consciousness and free will oozing from terrible recollections of unexpected raids in African souls. You are a beacon of fire and love to our fallen brethren, reduced to nothing but desolate shells of themselves, vistas of freedom cutting across suns and moons and lands of the spirit. You are masses of fabled rebels who knew courage by its name and passion by its flame, but letter X. Wherever you are, they still have no idea of your color. That you are the one-dimensional hue spectrum that decorated mothers with life. You are first and third heavens, triple dark moon goddess in the hearts of Azania and Kemet. You are irrefutable tongues that exude and speak revolution. Stories of forced unfamiliar residences underneath seas and in coastal vessels, and thus you remain